Well, welcome back. This is the second part of the island diorama, and as you remember, we had already the water, the island, and the palm trees. So now the next step is take your green paper and take one of these uh, cardboard, like the bottom part or the top part where you close the cereal box, and you're going to do this. As you can see, it's kind of the same size as if you put it here like this. Yes. So with the pencil, put it here, right here on the top, and with the pencil make a line and cut this line. There. Put this on the side because you're gonna use it later. And here, this one, put some glue stick. Some glue stick here on the green paper all the way. All the green paper should have glue stick. Like this. And then paste it on the cardboard. Paste it. Careful with your fingers. Paste it right here. Push to paste. And you're going to draw this. If you want to do this directly with your Sharpie, is better. Or you can first trace with the pencil and then remark with the Sharpie. But let's do it directly, alright? So we're going to make three like plants like this. It's like from the bottom, it's like one line, 2, 3, 4, 5, and close. Another one on this corner is the same. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and close it on the bottom. And one is going to be like longer and taller. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and to the bottom. Okay? Okay. So now cut them the same by the edge of the black line. It's like cut. If you want to cut like here, like this, like a square, it's better because it's easier later to cut. Cut like this and like this. And then cut it like this, cut it like this, and cut it like this. Okay, you have 3 of them. This is trash. And then cut by the line, but outside the outline. Remember, here is going to take a little time, but as quick as possible, please. If you can cut by the line, by outside the outline, leave the black line. If you need help from your mom, from your parents, ask them, please. And thank you, mom, and thank you, dad, or who is helping my students to make these projects. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna get one of my plants like like this. Remember, we need the pieces. We will assemble all later. So I have one. You need to twist the scissors or turn them around so you can cut by the outline and leave the black line, and looks much better. Turn around and cut, and I have my second plant ready. Okay, 1, 2, and the longer the same. Okay. Details. Remember, the most beautiful projects are full of details, but details costs time, and that's why we're making this project in parts. Careful with your fingers, please. And there we go. We are finished with the plants. All this is trash. Oops. This trash to the trash can. So 1, 2, 3 plants, right? Okay, let's put them here for a moment. Next step, let's do this, is take one of the palm trees, yes, and put it here, and with the pencil start making the leaves like a palm tree. Of course, it's like this. It's like this, and then go like this, then go like this, then like this, and there. And on the other side, yeah, here, turn it around, draw something like the same, like the palm trees, but smaller, because remember, this palm tree is smaller than this one, so it's kind of the same. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves. Then after that, remark with the Sharpie. Follow the pencil line like this. And the other two. But you know what? I'm going to do this. I'm going to mark like small triangles like this. because that's how the palm trees leaves look like. The other two, like a small triangle on the edges, just two of them. And if you have a green marker, yep, you can do this. It's like make like a shadow like this, just lines in the middle of the leaf, each of these leaves, and then you can color the edge. Looks like shadows like this from the center, and the rectangles like this. Like this. Just half of the leaf. Half of the leaf is green. Like this. And then on the center is like, again, a shadow with green marker on the center. You see? It looks different, right? So the same with the other one. It's like half of the leaf, make a line in the middle, and then color by the edge where the triangles are, to the center of the palm. Well, the center of the palm leaves. Yes. And the center. Okay. Next step, we need to cut. This, we are not going to paste them on cardboard because looks better like this. All right. So quickly, let's cut them. You know, cut first like a square around, and here the same, like a square around. We're not going to use this anymore, and cut around. Let's begin as fast as we can, okay? Because as usual, we don't have time. If you need help cutting, don't be shy. Ask mom if she has time. Ask some adult or your sister or your brother to help you out. They're gonna have fun also with us. Careful with your fingers. Go around the black line. No, not following on the exactly the black line, so you can have a black outline. This is trash. Same for this. Put it here. Remember that we are making we're making the pieces of our puzzle, if you want to call it a puzzle. And then on the next class, we're going to assemble everything on our diorama. That's why I'm telling you, let's cut as fast as we can, but let's make it well. Let's make a beautiful project full of details, and only using cardboard and paper as recycled materials. That's the most interesting part in Makerspace class. Well, here with me. And I'm about to finish my palm trees, my palm tree leaves for my palm trees on my island. This is trash. Okay, next step. I think we have enough time, so I'm going to use the half of the cardboard, remember, like this, and I'm going to use the yellow paper, not all of it, but check. Put the cardboard here, then on the cardboard put the yellow page, and then I'm going to use a Yeti glass, and I'm going to use only part of the yellow paper. No, not like this. It's like this. On the center, make like with your pencil, make a circle using the base of the Yeti glass, and then around the circle start making because this is the sun, so start making the sun rays like this. Right here. Okay, not all of them, because here you're going to paste this part on the back part of the cliffs. So now carefully go around with your Sharpie, mark the circle, the best you can, mark the circle and mark the sun rays, or sun flares. I don't know, how do you call them? And let's cut like this. Like a square. This is trash. And then use your glue stick, put some on the back of the sun, the circle on the rays on the back, and then paste it on the cardboard paste it like this, cover your glue stick, and cut the sun. But it's easier if you cut this part first. The extra cardboard, and then put this on the side. Maybe you're gonna use it, and cut the sun around the sun. Leave the black mark, the black line, leave it. So cut outside the outline, cut the sun rays as quick as possible. Don't fold them. Try not to fold them. The sun rays. I was about to say the X-rays. No, the sun rays. Be careful with the sun rays. Don't fold them. We are about to finish today, and we are missing only 3 parts and assemble everything to the island, and we will finish all the project on the next class. But we make a very good advance today. There. Yes, all this is trash, and you have your sun, and we already have now the ocean, the palm trees, the leaves of the palm trees, the plants, and the sun. And we are missing for the next class the octopus, the crab, and the cliffs. Okay, and then we're going to assemble everything so we can finish the project. So thank you very much, and see you next class.